Hey there, my name is Mark and I'm the Technical Delivery Manager here at Versori in Manchester, and today we do a quick little demo on a QuickBooks Shopify integration. So to begin, we're going to prompt our little planning agent, and the prompt is build an integration between Shopify using the GraphQL admin APIs and the QuickBooks Online REST API. The plan agent then comes back and with the solution docs and a series of clarifying questions to ensure enough context is provided. And as you can see over here, I've answered most of these and I'm just pasting in the correct documentation for QuickBooks. The plan agent has used this to generate suggested workflows for our integration. We can now go ahead and click connect to take us to stage 2 of the build. And as you can see over here, I've connected both Shopify, which uses API keys, and QuickBooks, which uses OAuth 2. Once connected, we click build and we can see our integration come to life. I've used the workflow prompt that the plan agent provided based on what I told it in step 1. And we can see here the files being used in the code, as well as the features of the integration such as webhooks that process the orders. From here you can see the entire flow, and for the purpose of this demo, I'll show you if you have a query about a certain component in the flow. We can head back to the chat window and click question mode to submit our questions without any concern to changes in the code. Whilst that runs, let's quickly run through this code window. If you are technical, you can edit the code directly in the IDE. You can also see the data transformations, the mappings, and other resources in the tab dropdowns. So let's check back on that query. And as we already know, this integration runs on an event-based webhooks, not a schedule. So this is just what we wanted to see. Finally, we hit deploy and the integration is live and ready to test. Thank you for watching our demo. And if you have any questions, please let us know.